Using a budget to manage your finances is one of the most effective tools you can possibly use to save money. You are able to view a budget as a snapshot of all of the expenses you generate each month and can see a percentage of those expenses compared to your income. A budget can also remind you whether or not you're spending too much on certain things and can help you pinpoint what you need to cut back on. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use a budget effectively and the process of how to create, review, and manage it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. Alright, let's get started. I personally use EveryDollar, which is a budgeting platform that is sponsored by Dave Ramsey. The platform is extremely useful to how you manage your finances, but most importantly, it provides a snapshot to all of your planned monthly expenses. It also shows the percentage of each expense, so you know how weighted you are in one particular category. There is a free version to the EveryDollar platform, but there is also a paid version called EveryDollar Plus. EveryDollar Plus can connect you to all of your external bank account information and monitor your account balances automatically. Every transaction that takes place to these accounts will automatically be tracked to your EveryDollar budget, leaving you with less work to manage and review. I personally use the paid version due to these perks. However, whenever I was using the free version, an easy way of tracking my expenses was to save all of my receipts to my transactions and then post them to my EveryDollar budget. This, however, can be tedious after a while, which is why I ended up using the paid version. The paid version is $130 annually, which is about $11 a month. When you are creating your budget, you will start off by entering your monthly planned income. This is the income you will have to allocate towards all of your expenses. For me, I have categorized the following planned expenses: savings, housing, transportation, insurance, food, lifestyle, debt, giving, and miscellaneous. You will want to allocate all of your income towards some kind of expense. The idea is that once you have a place for all of your money to go, you will know exactly where your money is going at all times. If you still have money left over to allocate, at the top of the screen it will say X amount of money left over to budget. If you allocate too much money towards your expenses as opposed to your income, it will say X amount of money over budget. So the goal is to be balanced out with your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money will be going during that month. Whenever I review my budget, I try to beat my planned budget every month so that I can allocate more money towards my savings. For example, in the month of May, I have a planned food budget for groceries to be set at $600. So my goal is to spend less than that and try and lower my overall food budget. If I spend a little bit less or a little bit more than my planned amount, then I will keep my budget for food to be the same for the next month. However, if I spend significantly less or significantly more, like $25 more or $25 less, then I'll change that amount to the amount I will spend for that next month. So if I only spend $575 on groceries in the month of May, then my new grocery budget for the month of June will be $575. So I constantly try to make my expenses to the lowest they possibly can to where they will be sustainable. However, there will be some months where you will spend more due to holidays or special events, but those can be disregarded as one-time events or expenses. The only reason why you should raise your budget on expenses is if you know that you cannot consistently meet that planned budget. Following your budget is supposed to be challenging, and you want to constantly push yourself in order to meet it. However, you don't want to set unrealistic expectations to where it will be impossible to meet that budget. Whenever you have established your budget and know what your expenses are for each month, you can really accelerate your savings and investing. This will allow you to create exponential growth towards your retirement portfolio and savings accounts. You want to have the mindset of paying yourself first and setting your life ever closer towards financial freedom. Utilizing a budget has really helped me with saving more money and made me see which areas of my spending I need to cut back on. For example, in my lifestyle category under entertainment, I initially set that budget for $100 a month. But in order for me to save more money, I decreased that monthly expense to $60 a month. I then allocated the extra $40 towards my savings and investing budget. Using and managing a budget can be tedious at times and difficult, but in the long run, you are able to have an accurate ledger of all of your expenses and know exactly where your money is going every month at all times. This can help you trim the fat off, so to speak, on your expenses and help you save more money. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video or found it informational. Also, please subscribe to see my upcoming new videos, which I will be posting every day, where I will keep you updated on investment opportunities that will lead you to your financial endeavors.